Dear students, for the class 9th, our today's topic is laws of exponent. So first of all, you should understand the laws of exponent. The first law is related to the multiplication. If a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus 1, m plus n. So if the base are same and power are different in the multiplication, then we should add it. Similarly, in the division, the power should be subtracted. For the third law, a to the power m to the power n is a to the power mn. Power to the power, then we should multiply it. In the next law, if the power are same but the base are different, then we should simply multiply ab to the power m. Next, if the negative exponent and we want to convert it the positive, then a to the power minus n equal to 1 upon a to the power n. And finally, any number raised to the power 0, its value is 1. On the basis of laws of exponent, we should take the first example. Simplify 7 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 into 7 to the power n plus 1 upon 20 into 7 to the power n minus 2 into 7 to the power n. We want to simplify it. So first of all, the convert into the same exponent. In the numerator and denominator, we want to make the same exponential. Here 7 to the power n plus 2. So in the multiplication, the power should be added. So similarly, we want to convert it 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2 minus 3 into 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 1. In the denominator are same. In the next step, we want to take the common. 7 to the power n is common in the numerator and 7 to the power n in the denominator also. And the same number should be cancelled. 7 to the power n is cancelled by 7 to the power n. And the remaining terms are 7 square minus 3 into 7 upon 20 minus 2. And we want to simplify it, and then our answer is 14 upon 9. Similarly, for the second example, this type of question is based on the laws of exponent. So the next question is, if 9 to the power n multiplied by 3 square into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n upon 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube equal to 1 upon 27. This is the given part. Then prove that m minus n equal to 1. So first of all, we convert it the same exponential in the numerator and denominator. And here simply we want to convert in the power of 3. So first of all, 9 to the power n is equivalent to 9 can be converted 3 square. So simply 3 to the power 2n into 3 square into 3 to the power n minus 27 can be converted into 3 cube. So simply 3 to the power 3n. In the denominator is same. In the next term, in the next step, 3 to the power 2n multiplied by 3 to the power n. On the basis of first law, we should add it. 2n plus n is 3n. So this term can be converted into 3 to the power 3n multiplied by 3 square minus 3 to the power 3n. In the denominator is same, and simply we want to take the common 3 to the power 3n in the numerator, and the remaining terms are 3 square minus 1. In the denominator, 3 to the power 3m multiplied by 2 cube. In the next step, 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m, and the remaining terms are 9 minus 1 upon 8 in the left hand side. And the right hand side, 27 can be converted into 3 cube, so its RHS is 1 upon 3 cube. In the next step, 8 and 8 are cancelled and remaining terms are 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m. Here the second law is based on the division. In the division, power should be subtracted. So 3 to the power 3n minus 3m in the LHS. And in the RHS, convert the positive to negative exponential. 3 to the power minus cube minus and on the LHS and RHS, here base are same, then power should be same. So simply we want to compare it. On compare both sides, here base are same, then the power should be same. 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equal to minus 3. Here 3 should be common and cancel it, then n minus m equal to minus 1. Again we multiplied by minus, then m minus n can be converted into n minus m can be converted into m minus n, and minus 1 is 1. So finally m minus n equal to 1. In the last step, we want to multiply the minus 1 in the LHS and RHS also, because n minus m is not our answer. Our answer is m minus n. So we want to convert the sign. So multiplied by minus 1, then m minus n equal to 1.